Is your PC slow? Takes forever to start? Don't worry, just do these first steps and watch out the magic. For this, just customize these first settings. First, go to the control panel. Here, you would find hardware settings. By using power option, you can turn your PC mode from normal to high performance. By customizing this setting, you can maximize the clock speed of your processor. I am setting the minimum processing speed to 100% so that I can get the maximum output. Let's move to second setting. Type Windows plus R. Here, write %10% and press Enter. Select all and press Delete. Third setting. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape. In Startup setting, disable all unwanted application to start during the startup of PC. Fourth setting. Just go to the storage setting and set the optimization schedule. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe the channel.